Remake the Aju Khamdaya Baubing. Kaman University in Trantes Maniburli Rumikavai, Democratic Student Alliance of Maniburna Shogarli Pohaira. Manibur Shogar Ot Kasana Uping, Mayang Rakavai, no work, no pay, rule enforce Kasa, Chief Secretary na Tishathaira. Lake Yangator, Achu the Dankul Express Wipau, Rinji Bemerza in a Pami the Lay, Baubing Mesa in Anganang Rumsa. Kaman University in Trantes, CUET Maniburli Rumikavai, Democratic Student Alliance of Manibur, DESAM na Shogarli Pohaira. Maitei Kuki Road Kamarat Hina, Meram Sada State Makanda Exam Bataki Kichiji, Kasak Laya the DESM na Hanga. DESAM Secretary General Nongtombam, Toy Toiba Nakahang, Assam Gathali Examination Centers, High Committee, State Wikatam now, Mavashun Karar Lehawa. Jita Sada Manipur Wikatam now being Wivang, State Wi Alumli Exam Center Haimi Kavai, Chief Minister Kala State Education Minister, Union Minister of State for Education Lee Ngakawhaira. University Examination Vagathali, Kung Kava, Kapi Kapamwi, Paisala, Saklanka, Manipur Wi Aina Kung Kava, Airfare Katam now being we, Ava Avali Kasak. Pershan Kami Ngasaya the DESM General Secretary Jina Hangsanga. Aman Jishim Kurgujungkana, Mutingler Mada Katam Nau Teraka Higher Education Vakangaili, Hub Coming Sahawa, Kala Chongfu Gari Ena Zata Jilila, Arihon Road Kamarat Adam Hitaran, Katam Nau Bingli Riks Quikangasak Nsara the DESM na Hangsanga. Meram Hi Mujukmida, State Alungli CUET Center Haimi Kavai, Kapo DESM na State Authority Li, Memorandum Misanghaira. Manipur Shogar Ot Kasana Uping Ot Nurut Kukwili, Chekchin May Kavai the Shogarna no work, no pay rule enforce Sahira. State Shogar officials Kala employees Ping, Agachang Maram Makaning Wivang Aina, duty report Makasali, pay Mami Marach Haira. Chief Secretary Vinit Joshina, notification Mikishok Atishura, Deputy Commissioners, Line Departments, Field Level Office, Le attach Kasang officials Teraka, Atumu Office Magaga duty report Makasa Le Hauda, Paigar Le Kakwina. State Shogarwi, officials Kala employees Ping, Agjang Mara Makaning Wivang Aina duty report Makasali, Paimami Mara Jihaira. Chief Secretary Vinit Joshina, notification Mikishok Atishura, Deputy Commissioners, Line Departments, Field Level Office Le attach Kasang officials Teraka Atumu Office Magaga duty report Makasa Le Hauda, Paigar He Kakwina. Attached officials Pingji Arihon Law and Order Hina Maram Sada, Atumi posting Kangajabamli, Mapam Gapai Wivang Gataili, Zankangasak Kasana the Hanga. Authority na Mayakami Maningla, Epsen Gasa Bingli, Paymami Maragachi Hangda, Process G Administrative Secretaries, Deputy Commissioners, Kala Head of Departments Pingna, Ningajang Aina Yang Sankawai Kasohaira. Kala authority na Mayakami Maningla, Kuchikatana absent Sama Shum Hai Aka, China Maram Sada Atumwe, service li break le mi hai by the Hangsanga. Administrative Secretary Saigoran attached officials being with Liz G, Deputy Commissioners Maning Aka, Head of Department, Heads of Office Concerned Kala Joint Secretary, Department of Personnel Lila Miluji Haira. Deputy Commissioners, HODs, HOOS being attached officials being with attendance register Haipulung Raji Haira. No work, no pay he, attached officials being wivang mang maning manal, government employees Saigorali apply Sara, Jithada Sada Deputy Commissioners being na, Ichtawi District Le Maramji Yang Sankawai, State Shogarna Kasohaira. Chief Secretary na Chizukami Atishura, Administrative Secretaries, Deputy Commissioners Kala Head of Department na, Maram Hiu Pekar Kakui report Achuwi Tarik Tarada Kutumthang, we alungli Misang Plungra Jihaira. India we create National Creators Award Aji Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Mishokra. Award Rani Aji Nguthor, Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi li Kwikara. National Creators Award he, Liram Gata Daily Storytelling, Social Change Advocacy, Environmental, Sustainability, Gatam Gashu, Gaming Katawi, Lemet, Kalay Gatem Bingli, Mujut Miki Gajina. Korea National Creator Award Mikawai, nomination kang hotly mi 1.5 lakh kada misangachi. Award he categories muku digital creator zangda green champion, social change, agri, travel, Swachhta ambassador, tech, heritage fashion, food, education, health and fitness the liram the day the way, Matha makeup kuchi creators pingdi miki kuchina. Ajay Union Home Minister of Cooperation Amit Shah National Cooperative Database Launch Sami Gidalay. National Cooperative Database Launch Sakami Aidang Soda Union Home Minister na National Cooperative Database 2023 report la Pongmira. India we haklak high cooperative sector we kan khana information ka gazem kala abam akali high kami kana lag high thai with state governments, national federations, stakeholders pingli ngishiklaga Ministry of Cooperation National Cooperative Database semkami kasana. India li leida khalai cooperative pingwe maram data sampang kahai Saigoro National Cooperative Database li sangmira. Data gazib kukui face karele sectors kutum primary agriculture credit societies, dairy kala fisheries we azingli 2.64 lakh primary cooperative societies we data gazib kui haira. Face kakaneli national kala state federations, state cooperative banks, district central cooperative banks, urban cooperative banks, State Cooperative Agriculture and Rural Development Bank, Primary Cooperative Agriculture and Rural Development Bank, Sugar Cooperative, Mills, District Unions, Multi-State Cooperative Societies Yikatawi Gazibkui. Face Kukutumali, Primary Cooperative Societies 5.3 lakh Langdawi Data Map Sakui Hirachi. National Cooperative Database Web-based digital dashboard sada India with cooperatives lakh chishat kala chiping jui membership 29 crores lang the data map sahira cooperative societies with aina information kuiji athumi registered aming apam members machine key sector kala ki odgasa athumi economic activities financial statements audit status hikatha higjip kuya National Cooperative Database Central Ministry States UTS kala cooperative societies we alungli communication mathamai khawai ningrin aina semi khaina Medical fraternity li reka correctly makhamya phongsokta Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences JNIMS with doctors in a medical katamnau pingna kani thang strike sahaira protest ji JNIMS superintendent office gate lipamda atumna bannerly sit in protest against the harassment of the medical fraternity the thakai Placards li pen papagaji samhaulu stop harassment, save the workplace environment, stop extortion gala, stop violence against the medical fraternity the jithing rog laga protest saya. Senior Dr. Matolay binagahang atumna protest kasanji kachikatha community la mili rin laga kasamaning mana ka gazat kang hali patients li Zakashi Kishok Tharan, Lamakan Kui Karar Tharan, doctors in staff li pen papagachili, Mamaya Kangai Pongshok Najia. Medical professionals being na Kangajimalay Lagla Atumi Ot Shuk Sankavai, Yari Nagatom Milo the Dr. Matolay Bina Hangsanga. Atumi protesti Ayakup Sanga. Citizenship Amendment Act CAA li Makamya Jiteda, all Assam student unions AASU na motorcycle rallies at Hira. AASU members Shashana rally jilizang the at Chiribil Sankawai demand Sahira. Motorcycle rally ji Guwahati, Dibrugarh, Kokrajhar, Kala Assamwi district, Gatatai Dali Bashunga. AASU Chief Advisor Samujal Bhattacharya Kala AASU General Secretary Sangor Jyoti Barutna NTCAA motorcycle rally ji Thanda Guwahati Panbazar Pamu Aina Hapoka. CAA Limakamya Democratic Movement Sava Furada Atumwi protest Matang Marag GAASU Katana Ping Hanga. Manipur Wurot Kamrat Tangmi Kawai, Chan Ngze Kwikara Dargar Salakhaira, Union Minister Kiren Rijijuna Hanghaira. Rijijuna Kahang, Northeast State Hili Stability Kwikarahi, Narendra Modi Shorgarwi Mission Li next Pekar Nasara. Maite Enaguki Yaka. Rod Marat Rangsa Kahayu Angyung, Manipur High Court na Maitena, SD Kapo Maramli Directive Kamiwi Wangna Chihaira. Shorgarna Dutak, Taran Maramli, Karotna, Ragazangna the Rijijuna Hangsanga. Maitay Enaguki Kaninishina, Kangama Kangashaw Horhaida, Jingri Hai Kawai, Changazek Chong, Maingri Kawai Minister Rijijuna Kasathaira. Could lising the Ngumang Shaw Kapamna, resolution Mukui Ramarada, Rijijuna Hangsanga. Jingri Kawai Gasali, Saigorona Shuru Kukui Darar Sayagaji, hang the stakeholders pingna, Kokasada Kaninishu alumli, Janga Zekwikara, Domilo the Rijijuna Kazum Sanga. Assam BJP Shorgarna, Christian Now Pingli, Target Sakawai Group Pingli Kasat the Legaji, Nagaland Congress na Penhaira. Assam Gala Northeastly, Kasanga Jingri Mushit Monoda, Raka Haiji, Safeguard Sami Kawai, Pekar Kui Miluda, Nagaland Congress na BJP Shorgar Ling and Gauhaira. Tui Gahai Adam Li Shogahai Ochot Paning Ungda, 2022 Kum, Assam Police na Churches Survey Gazette, Missionary Schools Pingli, Hindu Group, Kutumba Suraksha, Parishat na Warning Kami, Assam Healing Practices Bill 2024 pass Sagahai Higha Hitailaga, Assam Rizak Shilanka Hai Shokawai Randaleda, Nagaland Congress na Ninka Kurik Pongshoka. Mundibur World Kamarad Hili, Nagaland Congress na BJP Li Penhaira. BJP na Electoral Kuye, Sambang Kawai Community Alumli, Tension Lekangsak, Arali, Jihan na Gaji Penda, Ajale BJP na Horzak Kahai, Araji Assembly Shijin Daleda, Nagaland Congress na Mujan Sanga. Mundibur Crisis Hivang, Jangaze Kurami Kawai, Union Minister Rajkumar Ranjan Singh na Prime Minister Narendra Modi Li Kapivahaira. Maitei Kalakukizo Group Kanini Shui Aina, Shitsangapai Civil Society Groups Hokilaga, Jangaze Kwikang Sakluda Ranjan na Katong Haira. PM Modi Li Kapikavajli, Ranjan na Aming Mapan Lagahang, Mundibur Li Arila Jingri Makahai, Political Leaders Kaika, Armed Groups Kaika Kala, Muida Kasatmi Kahai, Mibingwivang Ainana Hangsanga. Armed militants Kala insurgents we, Kakasir, Kanam Mazangla, Kanini Shui, Civil Society Organizations na, Jan Kangazek Dargar Sahira the RK Ranjan na Hanga. Long now being the Tanda People to People Contact Movement, Hogpok Para the Union Minister Chin Hanga. Prime Minister's Office na Yangsang Kami Azingli, Shitsangabai, CSO's Manipur Cultural Integration Conference, Kathana Negotiation, Kathan Parada Ranjana Mujansanga. Channel Hili, Pau Pong Migahai Akawi, Turkami Radalay, Turkame China Mikushok, Horzak Gahai Janporji, Pashok Mili. Aya date 7 2024 li, the Tanghul Express TTE Morning News na, Tanghul Naga Film Association we, Film Festival December 14 to 15, 2023 li Rumi Gahai Jiwi Layman Wivang, Achan Guho Mirajili, Chandra Light Pashina, Dr. Hairagaji hi, Yonjao Hairagaji Hangpatli. Pauji ina sem gukui iwi ningjuk makeup story na, Kala News li Achan Gajibaji, Iram Ngichan, Ningshan Director TTE na. Tui Gahai DNFA we Tiner Chili, Ila Information Secretary Akasada, Odram Gutasai, Ka Aji we Tiner Gatarili, Executive Members Muzangli Mana. Jita how the festival Jili Iwi Sheba Contribution Jia, TTE Live Zat Kami Maningla Gatay Ot Manga, Masami Mana. Jita how the DNFA Festival Jiwi, Landing Hiring Maramli, Mutui Kawai, Kala Executive Pingli, Ngating Kanganao Iwi Ot Maning Mana. DNFA hili Marisang Aranu, Yarina Mishitsang Aranu Gala, Tanda Kale Bingli Mohona Haurada, Mai Shatui Gala, Vishat Yang Shatui Imaram Naui, Lang Maida Ogutui Mangali, Mutishoka Haijina, DNFA li, Katom Gai Ryo Kahai, Karnausan Saigorili, Ninkamazang Sakaida e Jamalala Kaira. Arihon DNFA with President Wael, Revency TTE Foundation li, Lan Gujunka, Ujon Mikahai Yari, Yarkok Akana. Ka aji ana thanda khalai long hili malai gishi maga katom hi iwu jaw haira DNFA ga thanbing DNFA member supporters well wish saigorwi mangali ion jaw haira ga thanbing wi gala long nawi tungli ina morlang tu khumtui gala ming jak shi khangsak ram ngchan ning shen iwi ning juk khangadai hi phomilo thirkmi kushok chanpor chi hina tang haira ladluida aju khamadaya baubing Kaman University Intrantes Manipur Li Rumi Kawai, Democratic Student Alliance of Manipur na Shogar Li Pohaira. Manipur Shogar Ot Kasana Uping, Mayang Ra Kawai, No Work, No Pay, Rule Enforce Kasa, Chief Secretary na Jishat Haira. Aju Pau hi Enang Jang Haira, Pau Nada Kalena Tum Saigorali, Ring Paka Mahaya Jim Shong Sasarano.